Imagine you're researching a new project, a YouTube video, or even just trying to learn something online. You open a few blog posts, a couple of documentation pages, maybe a PDF or two, and before you know it, you have dozens of tabs open. Then comes the frustrating part. You spend the next 30 minutes reading through everything, copying important information, switching between AI tools, taking notes, and trying to organize all that knowledge into something useful. But what if your browser could do all of that for you? That's where Tabbit comes in. Tabbit is an AI-powered browser assistant that can analyze your tabs, summarize articles, chat with documents, save knowledge, automate workflows, and even help generate content ideas, all without leaving your browser. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Tabbit works and how it can dramatically speed up your research and content creation workflow. So with no further ado, let's get started. So guys, here we are on Tabbit's official website. Tabbit is an AI-powered browser designed to turn your browser into an intelligent workspace. Instead of constantly switching between tabs, copying information, and managing dozens of tools, Tabbit brings AI directly into your browsing experience to help you research, organize, and complete tasks more efficiently. One of its biggest advantages is context awareness. Tabbit can work with web pages, PDFs, screenshots, bookmarks, highlights, and even local files, allowing the AI to understand the full picture rather than just a single web page. Another standout feature is skills. Think of them as reusable AI workflows that can automate specific tasks with a single click, whether it's content research, summarizing information, extracting insights, or creating content. Skills are designed to save time and eliminate repetitive work. The platform includes memory capabilities as well, allowing the AI to remember useful context and become more personalized over time. Overall, Tabbit is positioning itself as more than just a browser. It's aiming to become an AI-powered productivity hub where browsing, research, automation, and intelligent agents all work together in one place. So now all you need to do to get started is to open the first link down below in the description box of this video, and then go ahead and download the Tabbit browser for macOS or Windows. As you can see, I've already installed the browser, so all I need to do now is sign in. Once you're logged in, Tabbit also gives you a quick start guide to help you get familiar with the platform. Honestly, the browser is very intuitive and easy to use. Everything feels familiar, so getting started doesn't take long at all. Now let's put Tabbit to the test with a real-world example. Let's say I want to create a video about a brand new AI tool or emerging technology. Normally, the first thing I do is research. I open the official website, documentation, blog posts, tutorials, announcements, social media pages, and sometimes even PDF reports. Before long, I've got 10, 20, or even 30 tabs open, and all that information is scattered across my browser. So let's recreate that workflow inside Tabbit. I've already opened several resources related to the AI tool I'm researching, including its website, documentation, social media accounts, and other relevant sources. Now here's where Tabbit starts to get interesting. Instead of manually copying information between tabs or pasting everything into a separate AI tool, I can simply open a new chat and use the @ symbol to pull those resources directly into the conversation as context. And it's not limited to browser tabs either. I can also upload files directly from my computer. For example, if I have a PDF report, a product brief, or any supporting document, I can simply drag and drop it into the chat and Tabbit will include it as part of the analysis. At this point, all I need to do is give the AI a task. For this example, I'll use a prompt like summarize the key insights, standout features, strengths, and potential drawbacks of this platform. Then provide 3 compelling video ideas, each with a title and unique angle. And that's it. As a final step, I can choose which AI model I want to use. Tabbit gives access to a wide range of advanced models, including GPT, Claude, Gemini, Minimax, and others. Each model has its own strengths and pricing, but if you don't want to think about that, you can simply select the default option and let Tabbit automatically choose the most appropriate model for the task. Now comes the interesting part. The moment I hit send, Tabbit begins analyzing everything I've provided, not just a single web page, but all of the tabs, documents, and resources I've added to the conversation. Instead of reading through dozens of pages myself and trying to connect the dots, the AI does the heavy lifting for me. It pulls information from multiple sources, identifies patterns, extracts the most important insights, and organizes everything into a structured response. What would normally take me 30 minutes or even an hour of manual research can now be done in just a few moments. And this is really where Tabbit shines. It's not just giving you answers. It's acting more like a research assistant that understands the context you've provided and helps you turn large amounts of information into something useful and actionable. For content creators, researchers, marketers, and anyone who spends a lot of time gathering information online, that can be a huge time saver. All right, now that Tabbit has analyzed all of our sources and provided the key insights, it's time to take things one step further. As a content creator, research is only half of the process. The next challenge is turning that research into video ideas that people actually want to watch. So I'm going to enter another prompt and ask Tabbit to generate 5 high potential YouTube video ideas about Dynal.ai. And just like that, within a few seconds, Tabbit generates a complete content strategy for us. Not only does it provide 5 video ideas, but it also ranks them based on growth potential and production effort. It even explains the unique angle, target audience, and content strategy behind each idea. As a creator, I can go from research to a complete content strategy in just a few minutes, allowing me to focus on what actually matters. Next, let's take a look at another powerful feature of Tabbit. For example, let's say you're reading about one of the features of a platform and you're faced with a long article like this. Normally, you would have to read through everything yourself, copy important sections, switch to another AI tool, paste the content, and then start asking questions. But with Tabbit, the process is much simpler. You can select any piece of text or even the entire article right on the page, right-click and save it. And what's really interesting is that Tabbit doesn't save it as a simple bookmark. It saves it as actual usable knowledge that you can work with later. You can also interact with the selected content instantly. For example, you could ask Tabbit to explain the concept in simple terms, compare it with competing solutions, or generate content ideas based on the information. There's no need to open another tab, switch to ChatGPT, or move the content between different tools. Everything happens right where you're already working. And that's the real power of Tabbit. It transforms any web page into an interactive knowledge source, allowing you to save, analyze, organize, and learn from information without ever breaking your workflow. Finally, I want to show you what I believe is one of the most powerful options in Tabbit, which is Skills feature. Skills allow you to create reusable workflows for tasks you perform frequently. So instead of writing the same instructions over and over again, you can save them once and run them whenever you need them. At the bottom of the interface, we have the Skills Market option. Once you open it, you'll be taken to Tabbit's Skill Marketplace, where you can explore a wide variety of skills created and shared by other users. If you find one that matches your workflow, you can start using it right away with just a few clicks. But what makes this feature even more powerful is the ability to create your own custom skills. As you can see, creating a skill is incredibly straightforward. First, give your skill a name and description. Then, choose how you want it to work. Tabbit offers 3 different types of skills, depending on how much automation you need. Prompt skills let you save your favorite prompts and run them with a single click, making tasks like summarizing, brainstorming, and content creation much faster. Script skills can interact directly with web pages. Simply describe what you want, and Tabbit generates and runs the necessary code automatically. And finally, agent skills can handle entire workflows on their own, get from researching multiple sources and analyzing information to generating complete reports and actionable insights. You can create a simple prompt-based skill, build a more advanced script-based workflow, or even configure an AI agent to handle more complex tasks automatically. You can also add variables to make the skill dynamic and reusable across different projects. And with the one-click run option, you can execute the entire workflow instantly without even pressing the send button. For example, as a content creator, I could build a skill that automatically analyzes articles, extracts key insights, identifies content opportunities, and generates YouTube video ideas, all from a single click. This is where Tabbit goes beyond being just an AI assistant. It becomes a personalized productivity system that adapts to your workflow and helps automate repetitive tasks, saving you time every single day. As you can see, Tabbit is much more than just another AI browser extension. It combines research, knowledge management, AI chat, content creation, and workflow automation into a single platform, helping you get more done without constantly switching between different tools. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find all the links down in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos on AI, web development, and the latest tech tools. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.